a self-generating ionizing gun. No power cables, no batteries, no charging needed. Static electricity can occur at any stage of painting, attracting dust and disrupting paint quality. NEXION uses only compressed air to instantly remove static. This prevents dust from clinging to surfaces, ensuring a cleaner, flawless finish. It also reduces paint defects, improves adhesion, and minimizes issues like clouding, halos, and color mismatches. Powered solely by compressed air, NEXION requires no external power, batteries, or charging. Its brushless microgenerator ensures exceptional durability and a long service life. The patented ion balance circuit generates a stable ion stream. NEXIONs rapidly neutralize static electricity. Green light promises the best painting quality. Take one step closer to perfect paint quality with